Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG in sleek grey. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This SUV also boasts styling extras such as roof rails, spoiler, and privacy glass. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive away in style and peace of mind with the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq.